YouTubers, I'm coming to you guys with a tuna fish mukbang. I seen Lips eating tuna fish on his page. My hair is crazy, guys, and it got me in the mood for some tuna fish. She did a three-way tuna fish challenge. Eating tuna fish 3 ways. I'm not going to do the challenge. I'm just have a lot of tuna fish because I get weak because I'm breastfeeding, so they give me a lot of tuna fish and eggs. So I had everything to make it. So I was like, might as well make some tuna fish. So I have a tuna fish with eggs, mayonnaise, mustard, and pickle relish in it, and a little sugar. And these are wheat crackers. And I got a little tuna fish, you guys. It's crazy because I really don't like fish, but this is the only fish I eat as long as it's got the mayonnaise and stuff in it. And I have Coke to drink. Excuse me. Now, I was thinking about hold on. Making a bundigas for dinner because I just feel like it. Like he talking about making ceviche. I think that's up there. But I don't know if I could do ceviche, so. So we'll just see what happens. The girls are over there playing on the it's a walker. Winter feet is maybe 2-3 inches from touching the ground. When she do put them straight. Oh wait, no, she can't touch the ground with her tiptoes. She's gonna be pretty tall. So by the time she get about 5-6 months, her feet should kind of touch the ground a little bit more. Good morning. It's time to try potty train her again. Because she's showing more signs of wanting to be potty trained. No. So she's telling me she's telling me that she used the bathroom. She's wanting her diaper changed and she's kind of taking off her own diaper. Yeah. So she's not liking being wet. Hey, baby. Go play with your sister. Eh? Bye-bye. 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 Your sister? Are you gonna eat your food now? She's got noodles. Yeah, I get her dressed for today. Because we haven't got ready for today. I kind of just threw on some clothes. Go take my daughter to school. Or this dress. I threw this dress on to hurry up and get out the door. And she still had her sleepers on. Of course, I took those off. That's why she's in just diaper right now. Take your foot down. And that helps her when it makes it easy for her to go to the bathroom right now. because she does know how to use the potty. So, hey, leave that stuff alone. I guess it's pretty warm outside because the air conditioner is kicking on. Gas bill, I think it already went down. I'm not sure. I think we got the gas bill, yeah. She's trying to play tea party with her sister. That's what she was saying. And winter, she can't wait to start playing. They're gonna be like two peas in a pod. No. I was trying to tell her not to put the little pieces to her mouth. Delicious, pretty good now, but yeah, like 2 peas in a pod. Imani, she's kind of high strung. Judging the way the winter is, they're gonna be okay because she's not gonna let her run over her. I can already see that. I tell you, being a parent, no, it's fun. And it's so fun watching your kids grow up. Being babies to toddlers. Even when they get a little bit older and start coming into their personality a little bit, it's fun. I haven't experienced the teenage part yet, so I don't know quite how I feel about that just yet. But we'll see. We will see. Excuse me. She didn't do anything to her. She's just crying. I'm watching them very carefully, as you can probably see. But yeah, I think I'm gonna braid my hair up because I'm tired of doing it right now. I'm so tired of doing my hair, guys. And actually, I've really been doing a whole lot to it, so I'm just tired of my hair looking like this. I'm hoping to have enough hair to do it because I'm not trying to do nothing like too spectacular or anything like that. I think I'm just bring my hair back. Maybe I'm trying to think of how many I could do. Maybe 8. Not bad if I have to call them lemonade braids now. Well, some lemonade braids. Now, what did they used to call it when we were younger? Because it wasn't lemonade braids. They just made that stuff up. What did it used to be called? I don't know. Get my hair braided back. Get some hair. And it. I don't know what they call it now. I got some phone calls to make. I just thought about it. But this is the last of the tuna fish. I still got some more in there, but just a little. All right. Another way I like my tuna fish. Let me show you. I like it with on a sandwich. And I love putting Doritos on it. Oh my gosh, just tuna fish Dorito sandwich. Oh my gosh. Hey! Welcome, probably y'all. I love some tuna fish. Oh, I wish I would. No, I still got some wheat crackers. Ooh, excuse me. I got a little bit more to go. Those are little baby burps, but excuse me. But I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Thanks everybody who's been watching me. And yeah, have a good one. Bye.